Welcome to MindBloom Audiobooks, your haven for growth, inspiration, and transformation. We're delighted to have you join us today. Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Do you find yourself juggling endless tasks, battling distractions, and wondering how others seem to achieve so much with the same 24 hours? What if you could unlock the secrets to making every minute count? Imagine a life where you not only accomplish your goals but also find balance and fulfillment along the way. Today, we're thrilled to present our latest audiobook, Time Management Mastery: How to Make Every Minute Count. In this compelling journey, you'll discover the true worth of your time and how to value it, strategies to set clear and meaningful goals that ignite your passion, techniques for prioritizing like a pro to focus on what truly matters, powerful methods to overcome procrastination and unleash your productivity, insights on leveraging technology wisely without falling into the trap of distraction, the essential role of rest and self-care in sustaining high performance, and so much more. Whether you're a busy professional seeking balance, a student aiming for excellence, or anyone eager to elevate your life, this audiobook is your guide to unlocking your full potential. So, get comfortable, open your mind, and prepare to transform the way you live and work. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to MindBloom Audiobooks for more empowering content. Hit the like button if you find value in this audiobook, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey together. Time Management Mastery: How to Make Every Minute Count, by MindBloom Audiobooks. Introduction. The value of a moment. Time is the one resource we all share equally. Whether you're a billionaire or just starting out, each day hands you 24 hours, no more, no less. Yet, some people seem to accomplish so much within this fixed frame, while others struggle to get through their to-do lists. What's the secret? It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about mastering your time so that every minute counts toward building the life you desire. I remember a time when I felt overwhelmed, juggling work commitments, family responsibilities, and personal aspirations. The days blurred together, and despite my efforts, I felt like I was treading water. It wasn't until I discovered the principles of effective time management that my life began to change. I realized that by taking control of my time, I was taking control of my destiny. This book is a journey to reclaim your time and, by extension, your life. We'll explore practical strategies, mindset shifts, and actionable steps that will empower you to make the most of every moment. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and transform the way you live and work? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Understanding time, your most valuable asset. Time is the great equalizer. Regardless of who we are or where we come from, we all navigate through the same 24-hour cycle. But have you ever paused to consider how you perceive time? Is it a friend you cherish or an enemy you battle against? Growing up, I often heard the saying, "Time waits for no one." It sounded ominous, almost like a warning. But I came to realize that time isn't out to get us, it's a resource waiting to be harnessed. The first step toward mastery is understanding that time is an asset, perhaps the most valuable one you'll ever possess. Consider this. Money lost can be earned back, opportunities missed can reappear, but time wasted is gone forever. When you start viewing time through this lens, it becomes clear that every moment holds potential. This shift in perspective is crucial. It moves you from a passive role, where time slips through your fingers, to an active role, where you seize each moment with intention. Let me share a story about a mentor of mine. He was a successful entrepreneur who seemed to have cracked the code on productivity. Curious, I asked him how he managed to get so much done. He smiled and said, "I respect time. I treat it like the precious commodity it is." That simple statement resonated with me. Respecting time means valuing it, planning for it, and not squandering it on activities that don't serve your goals. In this chapter, we'll delve deeper into how your beliefs about time affect your actions. We'll challenge common misconceptions and lay the groundwork for a healthier, more productive relationship with time. Chapter 2. Setting Clear and Compelling Goals. Imagine setting off on a road trip without a destination in mind. You might enjoy the scenery for a while, but eventually, you'd feel lost. The same applies to life. Without clear and compelling goals, you're merely drifting. Time management isn't just about squeezing more tasks into your day, it's about making sure you're doing the right things. The things that align with your deepest aspirations. I recall a period when I was incredibly busy but felt unfulfilled. I was checking off tasks, meeting deadlines, yet something was missing. It dawned on me that I was efficient but not effective. I was climbing a ladder that was leaning against the wrong wall. That realization prompted me to reevaluate my goals. Setting goals is like plotting a course on a map. It gives your actions direction and purpose. But not all goals are created equal. They need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Yes, the SMART criteria you've probably heard before. More importantly, they need to resonate with you on a personal level. They should excite you, challenge you, and pull you forward. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly want to achieve. Is it advancing in your career, building stronger relationships, improving your health, or perhaps starting a business? Whatever it is, write it down. There's power in putting pen to paper. It transforms abstract ideas into tangible targets. In this chapter, we'll explore techniques for setting goals that inspire action. We'll discuss the importance of aligning your goals with your values and how to break them down into manageable steps. By the end, you'll have a roadmap that guides your time management efforts, ensuring that every minute invested brings you closer to your vision. Chapter 3. The Art of Prioritization. With goals in place, the next challenge is figuring out how to get there. The world is filled with distractions, competing demands, and endless to-do lists. How do you determine what's truly important? Enter the art of prioritization. It's not just about deciding what to do first, it's about deciding what not to do at all. I learned this the hard way. Early in my career, I believed that saying yes to every opportunity was the key to success. Instead, I found myself overcommitted and underperforming. It wasn't until I started prioritizing that things change. One of the most effective tools I've discovered is the Eisenhower Matrix, named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower. It categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This simple framework revolutionized the way I approached my workload. By focusing on tasks that are important but not necessarily urgent, I began to make significant strides toward my long-term goals. I also learned to delegate or eliminate tasks that didn't contribute value. The result? Increased productivity and reduced stress. In this chapter, we'll dive into various prioritization techniques, including the Pareto principle, the idea that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. We'll learn how to identify high-impact activities and allocate your time accordingly. Prioritization isn't just a skill, it's a mindset that empowers you to make conscious choices about how you spend your time. Chapter 4. Mastering the Schedule, Your Blueprint for Success. A well-crafted schedule is like a blueprint for your day. It ensures that your priorities are reflected in how you allocate your time. But scheduling isn't about filling every minute with tasks. It's about creating a balanced plan that accommodates work, rest, and play. I used to view schedules as restrictive, believing that they stifled creativity and spontaneity. But I soon realized that the opposite is true. A good schedule provides the structure needed to be truly productive while allowing flexibility for life's unexpected moments. One strategy that transformed my approach is time blocking. By assigning specific blocks of time to particular tasks or activities, I gained control over my day. For example, I dedicate mornings to deep work, tasks that require focus and creativity. Afternoons are reserved for meetings and collaboration, while evenings are for personal time and family. Another technique is the use of buffer times. These are short breaks between tasks that allow you to reset and prepare for what's next. They prevent the burnout that comes from jumping from one activity to another without pause. In this chapter, we'll explore different scheduling methods, from digital calendars to bullet journals. We'll discuss the importance of routine, the benefits of planning ahead, and how to tailor your schedule to your natural rhythms. By mastering your schedule, you create a foundation that supports your goals and enhances your quality of life. Chapter 5. Overcoming Procrastination, Winning the Inner Battle. Even with the best plans, we sometimes find ourselves procrastinating. It's a perplexing phenomenon, knowing what we need to do but delaying action. Procrastination is more than just poor time management. It's an emotional response to tasks that seem overwhelming or unenjoyable. I vividly remember struggling with procrastination during a critical project. The more I avoided it, the more anxious I became. It wasn't until I confronted the underlying reasons, fear of failure and perfectionism, that I could break the cycle. One effective strategy is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This builds momentum and reduces the burden of small tasks piling up. For larger tasks, breaking them into smaller, manageable steps makes them less daunting. Another powerful approach is reframing your mindset. Instead of focusing on the discomfort of starting a task, visualize the satisfaction of completing it. Reward yourself for progress, not just for finishing. In this chapter, we'll delve into the psychology of procrastination. We'll identify common triggers and provide practical tools to overcome them. Procrastination is an inner battle, but with the right strategies, you can win and reclaim your time. Chapter 6. The Power of Delegation and Outsourcing. You can't do it all, and you shouldn't have to. Delegation and outsourcing are not signs of weakness but of wisdom. They allow you to focus on your strengths and high-priority tasks while leveraging the skills of others. I once tried to handle every aspect of a business project, from strategy to minute administrative tasks. The result was exhaustion and mediocre outcomes. When I started delegating, not only did the quality of work improve, but I also had more time to concentrate on areas where I could make the most impact. Effective delegation involves clear communication and trust. It's about assigning tasks to the right people and providing them with the necessary resources and guidance. Outsourcing, on the other hand, can extend your capabilities beyond your immediate team, tapping into specialized expertise. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to identify tasks suitable for delegation or outsourcing. We'll explore common barriers, such as the fear of losing control, and how to overcome them. By embracing these practices, you multiply your productivity and create opportunities for others to grow. Chapter 7. Leveraging Technology for Efficiency. We live in a digital age where technology can be either a distraction or a powerful tool. When used wisely, apps and software can streamline tasks, automate routines, and keep you organized. I recall being overwhelmed by emails, notifications, and digital clutter. It felt ironic that tools designed to enhance productivity were hindering it. The turning point was when I curated my digital environment, choosing apps that aligned with my needs and learning how to use them effectively. Tools like project management software, calendar apps, and time trackers can provide valuable insights into how you spend your time. Automation features can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up mental space for more important work. However, it's crucial to set boundaries. Technology should serve you, not control you. This means turning off unnecessary notifications and allocating specific times for checking emails or social media. In this chapter, we'll explore the best tools for time management and how to integrate them into your workflow. We'll also discuss digital mindfulness, being intentional about your tech use to enhance focus and well-being. Chapter 8. The Importance of Rest and Renewal. In the pursuit of productivity, rest often gets sidelined. But rest isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Just as athletes need recovery periods, your mind and body require downtime to function optimally. I learned this lesson after experiencing burnout. Pushing through fatigue didn't lead to better results, it led to mistakes and diminished creativity. Incorporating regular breaks, sufficient sleep, and leisure activities rejuvenated my energy and improved my performance. Rest includes quality sleep, short breaks during work sessions, vacations, and even moments of mindfulness throughout the day. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused bursts with short breaks, can enhance productivity. In this chapter, we'll examine the science behind rest and its impact on cognitive function. We'll provide practical tips for integrating rest into your schedule without compromising your goals. Remember, managing your energy is just as important as managing your time. Chapter 9. Building Habits for Long-Term Success. Time management isn't a one-time effort, it's a lifestyle. Building habits that support your goals ensures sustained success. Habits reduce the mental load by automating routine actions, allowing you to focus on more complex tasks. Developing new habits requires consistency and patience. Start small. Choose one behavior to incorporate into your routine and commit to it daily. Over time, these small changes compound, leading to significant transformation. In this chapter, we'll explore the mechanics of habit formation, drawing on insights from psychology and neuroscience. We'll discuss strategies for maintaining motivation and overcoming setbacks. By the end, you'll have a toolkit for cultivating habits that make effective time management second nature. Chapter 10. Adapting to change and staying flexible. Life is unpredictable. Even the best-laid plans can be disrupted by unforeseen events. Flexibility is a crucial component of time management. It's about adapting to changes without losing sight of your objectives. I recall a major project that was derailed by sudden market shifts. Instead of clinging to the original plan, our team adapted, reassessed our goals, and pivoted our strategy. This flexibility not only salvaged the project but led to unexpected opportunities. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to build resilience and adaptability into your time management approach. We'll explore techniques for reassessing priorities and adjusting schedules in response to change. Embracing flexibility ensures that you remain effective even when circumstances shift. Conclusion: your time is now. Mastering time management is an ongoing journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your values and aspirations. As you implement the strategies and insights from this book, remember that progress is more important than perfection. Your time is your life. Every moment is an opportunity to move closer to your dreams, to make a difference, to live fully. The power is in your hands. Make every minute count.